So one of the problems that you face when you're building a website is the transition between sections. So in this template that we have, you see the sections are slightly tilted like this to make it a little bit different transition rather than just a straight up transition. And that helps make your websites feel a little bit more custom, a little bit more customized. And the way that this is done is using a element called shape divider. And so this is something that you would see in many other website providers, and it is available in Web Digital as well. So if you look at the elements tree, we have a header section over here, and there's a heading underneath it. And if you look at the style of that is, the position is it's relative positioned. So what that means is any child of it that is absolutely positioned, like the shape divider over here, you see that is absolute position, and this is typical usage for that. It's going to be constrained within this element. So you see in this case, it's bottom left, and it's 100% width, so it's covering at the bottom everything over here. And z index is 2, so it's above the rest of the elements. And you can control that. The height is an important one over here. By default, it's about 50 pixels. You can increase the height, as you can see. There's different effects that you can use over here in the clouds, curve curve opacity. So there's a little bit of transition, symmetrical, fan, mountains, speech, pattern, tilt. So this is something that you might use as like a dialogue or something. Tilt is the one that we've been using. You can do it in both directions. Triangle. So this is for bottom transition. This is for upper transition. So if you want to use the alternative version, you would have to align the shape divider to the top rather than to the bottom. Waves, as you can see, waves opacity, it's a little bit different. Again, minor variations on the waves. So these are really cool patterns that help your website. Yeah, so this you may want to use them all in the same way. Otherwise, it can feel a little chaotic in your website. So like this one, you don't want to be like using a different version for every single one. It's just going to look inconsistent. But other than that, shape dividers are very useful. Highly recommended that you use them for your website designs, and let us know what you think in comments. Thank you very much for watching.